I want to explain how to submit your final essay. So, first you're going to find the assignment. It's in modules at the bottom under Final Exam in Class Essay. And you'll click on Final Essay IO. It has our essay question. It reminds you that your response has to be less than 500 words. And then you need to submit your assignment in two different places. You're going to post it to the Criterion website, and I'm about to go over instructions for how to do that. And then you also need to upload it to Canvas. So just like a normal assignment, you need to make sure that you upload it to Canvas. So if we look at the instructions for how we submit it to the Criterion website, it has a website that we can click on, and we're going to click on New Create Account under the New User heading. So I'm going to click on this one, and this is what the front screen looks like. See, it's ETS, right, that does the SAT, Criterion. And then we're not a returning user yet, so we're going to create an account. And it asks us for an access code. If you go back to the assignment sheet, it has the access code listed right here. It's 2 digits of numbers and letters. And it goes at the very top of our access code. So ours is NJFC Z3WR. So we put that at the top, and you can fill out your own information. Let's see. And then it'll ask you to make a security question at the bottom. When you submit it, it's going to take you all the way back to this main page. So once you submit your information, it's going to bring you back here, and then you're going to put in your information. And I made up one just to show you. So that's my username that I made up. Let's see if I can remember. So you'll put in your username and the password, and when you put it in, it's going to look like this. You'll see my name right here, Carpenter, you're at the college level, this is the date it closes, and your status should be active. So the first thing you are going to do, according to this, once you log back in, you're going to click on Carpenter in blue. So going back to our main assignment, you're going to click on Carpenter. And then from here, you're going to see a couple different things. I think on yours originally it's going to say something about planning writing, and yours will say Start Draft. So mine says Save because I already clicked on it once earlier, but you'll click on Start Draft. And when you click on it, it'll have this screen. This is a screen for your plan. We're not going to use the planning part. We did all of that on our own. So you don't really need to worry about the planning part of it, but the part you care about is the response part, like putting in your essay. And ETBU pays for every essay that is submitted. So do not hit submit down here until you are certain that you put everything in. It has the prompt up here. The only thing that's really weird about this essay is it doesn't use the tab or the indent for paragraphs. So if this is our essay that we're copying, and it's not, this is just something that I am showing, we don't need a title or anything. So say I have, because ours isn't that long, so say it's 4 paragraphs. We'll say that's how long it is. I'm going to copy them from my Word document, so hit like Control-C, and then I'm going to hit Control-V, and it'll ask me to please paste my essay into the text box below. So I'm going to hit OK right here. And then it's going to kind of put it into paragraphs here. But notice how nothing is indented. And if you push indent, it's going to just take you down to the next button. So what we need to do is put a space between paragraphs. So I can kind of tell where each paragraph ends. I might have to go back and look at my draft because I think they started out with 4. So I'd want to go back and make sure that there's just a space between each paragraph. Everything is left justified. We don't need a title. We don't need a works cited page. Notice how this does have spell check, so that's kind of nice. And then when I have put in every single thing, and we want it to be less than 500 words here, then I would hit submit. And when I hit submit, it's going to immediately tell me my score, and then I will be able to see your score as well. And on your end, these are the grades that I'm going to use. So if you get a 6, you'll get a 98, a 5, a 92, etc. If you have any questions after you submitted it, or you don't agree with the grading, then I'm always happy to look at it. Just send me an email. So all this to say, you need to submit your final in 2 different places in order to not need to come next week. You need to put it on the Criterion website, which is what we just went through, and also upload it to Canvas. All right, please email me if you have any questions at all. Thank you.